to day 6 of my weight loss program. I jogged for 20 minutes this morning, so that's the longest length of time I've been jogging since I began this 6 days ago. And I started struggling at 5 minutes, and now I'm up to 20 minutes. And I felt like I could probably go a little bit longer, so my endurance has really increased and gotten a lot stronger. And that's jogging for 20 minutes straight, no stopping, no breaks. See what my waist is. About 37.25. So I've lost almost an inch in my waist so far. And my hips are about 37.25. So I've lost almost an inch in my waist and my hips so far. Progress. It's hard to lose inches. Let's see what the scale says. If you're shooting for anything over than 2 or 3 pounds of weight loss, it's going to take a while. So, I'm getting impatient, I'm getting anxious, and I want to be supermodel skinny today, but I just have to wait and stay on track. It says 133.2. So I'm fluctuating between 132 and 133. I have kind of some thick, heavy pants on, so that can be taken into consideration as well. So hovering between around 120, 132 and 133. So I've still lost about 2 to 3 pounds since I started 6 days ago. I'll be very excited when I get down to the 120s and can go from there. That's my goal. So I'm increasing my jogging time, I'm losing inches, and I'm feeling much better since I started 6 days ago. And I'm just eating things like this, raw fruits, bananas, apples, everything raw, whole, mangoes, coconut, fresh whole coconut, not processed coconut that comes in a bag or a package or anything like that. This is much better than buying coconut oil. This is the real deal right here. Much better for you. You get a drink and something to eat with a coconut. I love it. So, unfortunately, the dates in town are sold in packages. So, but the ingredients, all it says is dates. That's it. No preservatives or anything. That's why I like these. They are pitted though. I don't like pitted dates because when the seed is removed, it leaves a giant hole and all the moisture escapes. So pitted dates are usually generally a little bit drier. And unfortunately the nuts are also packaged. So looking for a way around that. Pistachios, cashews, all raw, never roasted or salted. Tons of these little guys right here. These are my main meat right here, avocados. Oops, sorry little guy. So, love these things. Not fattening at all. That's a complete myth. I eat tons of these. And yes, I'm on a weight loss program, but I'm definitely not obese or overweight. I wouldn't say. Red apples. I like to get all different kinds of apples because they all have their own unique, yummy flavor. This one I've never tried before. I need to research this one. Daisy Girl. This is Red Delicious. But they all have their own yummy flavors. Some peaches, plums, cucumber. Cucumber's a fruit. Avocados are also a fruit. So, who think of them as a fruit because they're not a bright color, and they're a little bit more salty than sweet. But they are a fruit. They have a big giant seed in the middle. Oranges. So this is the kind of stuff I'm eating with lots of water. And when I drink water, I take a lemon, puncture it open, and I squeeze some fresh lemon juice in my water and flavor the water and get some more nutrients. And a green apple. All different colors of apples. And these are organic because I'm eating the skin directly. So you want to try to get organic. But something like with avocado, where you generally don't eat the skin, you peel it. They don't really have to be organic. Of course, that's what they say. Okay, so I'm eating that kind of stuff. I just wash it off and maybe I'll cut it up. But I've gotten to the point now where I'll just eat an apple like this. I don't even cut it up anymore. And just simplify and make things easy for yourself. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.